welcome to my channel. Today we are here to derive the famous quadratic formula with which we can solve any quadratic equation without factorization. So now let us derive this formula. So first of all we write a general form of a quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now for further simplification, we divide each term of the equation by a. So we get x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. Now taking this constant term c by a to the right hand side, we get x square plus b by ax is equal to minus c by a. Now we add d by 2a whole square to both sides of the equation. Here we get x plus b by 2a whole square, and here we get minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. Now further simplifying it, we get b square minus 4ac over 4ac square is equal to x plus b by a 2a whole square. Now taking the square root of both sides, we get x plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a, as root 4a square is 2a. Now taking this b by 2a to the right hand side, we get the quadratic formula, and this is how we derive the quadratic formula. Thank you for watching the video, and subscribe and share as much as possible.